Today on the Stay-at-Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make lemon ricotta pancakes. These have an almost gourmet feel to them. They're really easy to make and super tasty. Grab a whisk and let's get started. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, along with 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna use my whisk to stir this together. Then we're gonna grab a lemon and zest it into our batter. Zest the entire lemon, which should give you about 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. You'll also need the juice from that lemon, which is about 1/4 cup of lemon juice. You'll also need 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of whole milk ricotta cheese, and 2 eggs. You'll want to whisk this all together until it's well combined. Your batter shouldn't be too runny. It should be a little bit thick, but still a pourable consistency. For a fun little variation, you could now fold in 1 cup of blueberries, but I'm going to keep mine straight up lemon ricotta pancakes today. Get a griddle heating over medium-high heat, then scoop about 1/4 cup of batter onto the preheated non-stick griddle and get it cooking. Now I'm using an electric griddle just because it's easier to show you that way. You can totally do this on the stove. You just need a flat surface. You'll know the pancakes are ready to flip when you start to see little bubbles appear and the edges start to lose their shine and look dry. So I'll grab my spatula and give these a flip. Let them cook for a couple more minutes until both sides are golden brown, and then you are ready to eat. I like to serve mine up warm, topped with some blueberries, maybe a little bit of blueberry syrup, or you can go maple syrup, I won't judge. And this is a delicious, almost gourmet breakfast. This recipe makes between 10 and 12 pancakes. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.